guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you what's the Xiaomi mic oven like. I just got a Mi mic oven and I'm gonna open the package. I had my mic oven, but it broke down by some reason. I don't know. I tried to fix it, but I can do nothing with it, so we bought one. Wow, it's a marrow. But I'm sorry about it. It's only in Chinese, so you guys, if you want to buy a Mi mic oven, you have to learn Chinese first. I don't know how to say it in English. In Chinese, we say 泡沫. It's a plastic bag as regular products. It's a little heavy, but it's okay for a man. Wow. 石头，你觉得这个好看吗？
好看。
I asked my son, what do you think of the appearance? He said, beautiful. I can't open it. Maybe something wrong with it. So, I have to read marrow first, I think. Oh, this button. We can unfreeze meats and potatoes, and we can cook eggs and cooking rice. We can also warm some milk, coffee. Wow, a lot of things. And if you want to know more about it, you could download Mi Jia app. The function looks simple, but I think maybe this should provide some LCD screen or something else. So, wow, there's no this one. It's very different. So, okay, I'm gonna use it and I'll show you later. Wow, sounds great. I'm gonna to warm my spaghetti and the fried rice. They say 快热 means fast warm. Let's try. 2 minutes? Is too many? Is it okay? 1.5 minutes. Did you see there is an icon looks like a signal of Wi-Fi? So I think it's a smart appearances for home. After that, I'll try to connect it to my cell phone and I will discover more function for you guys. You think it's okay? 还不够。 I like this circle button because it's easy to use. I don't like too much buttons on some equipments because it's too hard for my age. This is my coffee machine. I use it for more than 2 years. Okay, good. Mi Smart Mic Oven. This one. Go to Wi-Fi setting. Kitchen. Wow, we can set a schedule to warm something. But do you think it's useful? I also have my xuán speaker. I'll try the function of it. 小爱同学，请打开微波炉。
微波炉不能这么操作啊。
小爱同学，能控制微波炉吗？
想要控制微波炉做什么呢？
加热。
加热箱。
It doesn't work. Maybe I need a more setting for it. So next time I will show you. I found something finally. The only thing I can do, I could use my phone, control the mic oven remotely. But I don't know why. Because I still need to open the door and put them out and in, so it's not good function. Maybe we need to wait and see, and maybe some function in the future will build by some smart guy. So yeah, let's call it a day. See you next time. Bye bye.